how to connect WhatsApp to your laptop using Microsoft Store. Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be walking you through the steps to connect WhatsApp to your laptop using the official app from the Microsoft Store. Now, if you want to use WhatsApp on a bigger screen, reply to messages faster, or manage files more easily, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's get started. Uncle Leonard and Holler. All right, the first thing you'll need to do is open the Microsoft Store on your laptop. To do this, click on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen, then search for Microsoft Store in Misquoria, Stol Star Microsoft to see and the code for. And once you see the Microsoft Store app, click to open it. Now that you're in the Microsoft Store, go to the search bar at the top and type in WhatsApp. You'll see a list of results pop up, and what we're looking for is the WhatsApp desktop app. It's the official app developed by WhatsApp, so make sure you choose that one. Click on it to open the download page. On the WhatsApp desktop page, you'll see an option to install or download the app. Go ahead and click on the install button. The download will start immediately. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a minute or two. Once the app has been downloaded, it will automatically start installing on your laptop. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a notification or an option to run the app. Click on it, and the WhatsApp desktop app will launch. Now, you'll see a big QR code on the screen. This is what we'll use to link your phone to your laptop. Now, grab your phone and open the WhatsApp app. It doesn't matter if you're using Android or iPhone, the steps are the same. Once WhatsApp is open, go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three dots, then select Link Devices. On iPhones, you tap Settings at the bottom right and then tap Link Devices. Now, in the Link Devices menu, tap the Link a Device button. Your phone's camera will open, ready to scan the QR code. Point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your laptop screen. It should automatically scan. Once it does, your WhatsApp account will link to the laptop. Congratulations, you've successfully connected WhatsApp to your laptop. Now, you can send and receive messages, view status updates, and even share files directly from your computer. All the messages you send from your laptop will be synced with your phone in real time. One of the great things about WhatsApp Desktop is that you can customize it to suit your preferences. You can enable or disable desktop notifications, adjust the appearance between light and dark mode, and even manage chats more easily by typing with your laptop's keyboard. To explore these options, just click on the three dots in the top right corner of the WhatsApp Desktop app. If you ever want to disconnect WhatsApp from your laptop, you can do so easily. Simply open the WhatsApp app on your phone, go to Link Devices, find your laptop in the list, and tap Log Out. This will unlink your laptop from WhatsApp. You can always reconnect it later by following the same steps. And that's it. You've now learned how to download and install WhatsApp Desktop from the Microsoft Store, link it with your phone, and start using WhatsApp on your laptop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.